So hey guys, it's Steven here. So we're back again with another unboxing. So I just bought this webcam 1080p 30 fps webcam just today. So I decided to unbox it as fast as I could so I could use it. So it's gonna replace my A4 Tech camera here, which is not so good because it only has I think 10 Mbps 16 or something like that. So just put that aside. And also I would like to shout out our celebration for me having my 1100k subscribers. And I also have a giveaway in my previous video, so you just check that guys out and join my giveaways, so maybe you would win. And we celebrate our unlocking the community tab. So we have here our first post. So I decided to post this, guys. Maybe someone will notice, maybe someone would comment. So yeah, it's a great day. I've got a new webcam, and also we unlocked the community tab so I can post stuff to keep you guys updated. So thank you for that. So now, enough of that. We'll go back to the unboxing. So this is a full HD webcam, 1080p 30 fps. It has 1920 by 1080p HD. So it's a plug and play anti-peep, as there is a cover there right in the box. So we're gonna confirm that after we open this guy, because I haven't opened this guy yet. As you can see, there's still a seal over there, so that you and me can unbox this together. We could see it for what it really is. You know what I'm saying. So this is what it is at the side. I got all the plug and play stuff. So it also supports tripod. That's nice. So meaning I could hook it up to my laptop or something, and we could record using it. So that's the picture here from the front, and the obligatory picture, and the back. And it has some specifications here that are in Japanese. And their office, factory. This is what looks at below. So let's open it. So I got here my trusty scalpel again, like we usually do around here. So let's start opening this little guy. Alright, this is gonna be fun. Okay, there it is, guys. Just a little more. Okay, there we go. We're gonna put aside the box. And here is the cam. So you can see right there, there is this cap. Looks like a X-Man logo of some kind, because it looks like an X. So you can put this off, take it off just like that, let it hang there, because I think it's built in here, connector, and it's made of rubber, so you can stretch it a little bit. So I think if you don't like this hanging around here, maybe you could remove it. So here's the cord, Gsou. There it is. So we'll take it off slowly. Okay. So here it is, guys. So this is how it looks like at the side, at the back, up and down. So you can see here, there's a tripod slot. So you could actually put it in your tripod. So it has 4 screws right here, so you could unlock it if you like. Then you could remove this thingy here if you don't like that hanging out there. It depends on you guys if you happen to buy your own Gsou webcam. So we also have here the manual. There. Yeah, some specifications right there. Oh, the glare is destroying. There we go. This is what it is behind. It's in Japanese, and this one is in English. So let's put that manual aside. So back with the camera. So I think you could open it like that. Yep. And let's see what else. So let's try to put it at my monitor, guys, since we're already inside. So I think we could put it like that, then lock it. Yeah, it stands perfectly up there. Then you just remove the cap so you can be seen. So maybe I could still use my old camera. So looking down at my keyboard and mouse here, it's just right here, guys. It's the entirety of my gaming setup. And yeah, maybe we could try. I'll just skip the video first, and then I'll set it up, put it in the system unit, and we could try the camera first person. Okay, so now, guys, I have set up the camera right there. It's up there, and it's already plugged in. And so we're gonna test it out, see if it's HD or not. So I'm just gonna turn off this flash here so you guys could see the screen clearly. Here we go. So are you guys ready? So this is the shot from my old A4 Tech camera right here. This one. That's the shot right there. As you can see, it's not good at low light conditions. But if I turn off the light there, it's decent look to it. So you can see it. So we're gonna use this camera as a comparison, guys. Okay, I guess that's the maximum size we could use this for. So as you can see, it's kind of blurry. So that's the A4 Tech camera. So now we're gonna take a look at my new camera right here at scene 2. As you can see, it's crisp. You can see me, guys, here. Here's the camera I'm using. I'm using my phone to record it. So you can even see my background right there. I have this straw hat right here. Very nice. Let's see if we try it at low light conditions. So it's pretty decent even at low light conditions, guys. So you can still see a bit of my background, even though it's dark. Let me try to turn off my lights here, so we could see how it works at extreme low light conditions. So as you can see, we could still see myself right here. Hello. So this is perfect for streaming, guys. And let's take a look at my A4 Tech camera. So this is how my A4 Tech camera looks. Excuse me. When it's dark, so you can almost see nothing, and frame rate is low, so you could see my hand right there moving very slow. It's like watching a low FPS movie or something, or low frame rate game or something like that. So let's try my new camera here. So as you can see it, 30 FPS, guys. It runs in 30 FPS, so you could still see me moving my hands. Well, there we go. So that's it for this unboxing, guys. So I hope you liked this unboxing, because I liked it too. It's a very nice upgrade for my streaming setup. So you could also watch me stream. So I'm not sure. I have a lot of games here, guys. I have Assassin's Creed games, Batman games, Batman Arkham, and some GTA's. And I'm very confused as to should I stream on YouTube here or should I stream it on my Facebook page. So follow me at my Facebook page, guys. Let me turn off this flash here so you can see me better. So you guys could turn off. I mean, sorry. You guys could follow me on my Facebook page at Stephen Ray Bergamento YT. Like and follow me there, so you can watch me stream, or you can also subscribe here at my YouTube channel at Stephen Ray Bergamento. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye bye.